Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to download videos on YouTube. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone screen. I'll tap on YouTube. Now to download any videos over here, I'll go with this one videos of BBC World. I'll just tap on this and over here you can see this is video which I want to download. Now to download these, under the subscribe button you can see here is download. Just tap on this and you can see our download is started. To view this, just tap on this view and you can see this video is downloading. As soon as it is downloaded, you can view this video offline. In this way, we can download a video on YouTube. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.